Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
Engines contain cylinders that convert fuel into mechanical energy. Combustion inside the cylinders is triggered at just the right moment to maximize the power they generate. When the engine's sixth cylinder misfires, fault code P0306 is recorded. What does the P0306 fault code mean? Fault code P0306 means cylinder 6, misfire detected. This code is stored by your car's main computer, commonly known as the Powertrain Control Module or PCM, when it detects that cylinder No. 6 has failed to ignite properly. Many owners have reported P0306 for the following makes: a Chevrolet, especially on a Chevy Silverado, Ford, BMW, Jeep, and Honda. What are the possible causes of code P0306? A cylinder can misfire for a variety of reasons. Common causes of a P0306 code include worn ignition system parts, i.e., spark plugs, ignition wires, coils or distributor cap, vacuum leaks, insufficient fuel pressure problem with fuel pump relay, fuel injectors, or fuel filter problems with exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, system defective or faulty mass airflow sensor defective, or faulty crankshaft sensor defective or faulty camshaft sensor, faulty or defective throttle position sensor, mechanical engine problems, e.g., low compression, leaking cylinder head gaskets or defective engine valves. What are the common symptoms of code P0306? When the PCM identifies a misfire on cylinder No. 6, it activates the check engine light on your car's dashboard. This is a standard warning for any problem involving the engine. Other symptoms that may accompany a P0306 are as follows: a slow, sluggish acceleration, car jumps forward during acceleration, engine stalls when car stops, abrupt deceleration, engine misfires, reduced fuel economy. How to diagnose code P0306? Determining exactly what triggered the P0306 code in your car can be tricky, given the number of possible causes. For more information on how to diagnose the P0306 error code, see the video below, How to Repair the P0306 Code. Like most OBDI codes, there's no one-size-fits-all solution that will magically erase the P0306 code, which is why some people find it easier to leave the job to their mechanics. But if you're confident in your DIY skills, start by researching automotive forums and similar platforms. Keep in mind that what worked for someone else may not work for you, so be sure to check if the P0306 repair you're looking for has worked for someone with your exact vehicle. Stick to successful repairs, for the same code and underlying cause, that other car owners with the same vehicle have reported. What's more, if you want to repair your car right the first time, we recommend that you consult the appropriate repair information for your application. Use online car repair resources and guides, or take out an all-data subscription, which provides information specific to your car. This should help you with this and other future fixes you may need to make the next time your ride breaks down. In conclusion, a fault code P0306 indicates a misfire in cylinder 6, which can lead to a range of performance issues if not addressed promptly. By understanding the potential causes, such as faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel delivery problems, you can take the necessary steps to diagnose and resolve the issue. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are essential to keep your engine running smoothly. If you suspect a misfire, don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more automotive insights.